Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about the mean. So now I will show you how to answer. To find about the mean, we need to find the total of values divide about total of numbers. So about this one, the total of the values, so we have 15 multiplied by number 7, number 10 multiplied by number 9, number 12 multiplied by 14, number 8 multiplied by number 25, and the remaining. So we have the total is about 70. We need to minus about 15, 10, 12, and 8. Later that we multiply by number 20. We need to divide the total of the numbers. That's about number 70. So I will put about 70 in here. So we calculate about this one, and we got about 15.19, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.